Baby, no me day I feel some kind of way. Talk to me dirty.
No, me there think I me alone feel away right now, baby. You nasty stinking drunk, yo. If you have dark shit, you come like youth pampas. How that sound like that?
Now you off. I will block you.
Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
This is where the dead man has been shot. Residents in the Corporal area are now scared. Eyewitnesses said that they are now in fear. This is what one has to say. Alright people, we have to run down one of the residents to get some news. Alright people. Sir, stop. Stop. Take your camera off of me, sir, stop. Tell me what you see on the crime scene. Take your camera off of me, man. Sir, take your camera off of me. We need some report. No, brother. Take your camera off of me.
The reporter I know a Jamaican crime scene witness. No one a camera up on them. Camera are informer thing. And worse.
The streets are no longer safe. But one resident does have something to say. What's the ask me now? Tell me what you see on the crime scene. Yo, you see what upon my face? Yes, sir. What upon my face? Shade, sir. That means I'm blind. Okay. I never say nothing. Okay. Me only can tell you when the man get shot and drop right there, sir. And him dead by the time they have to rush with him to the hospital. I say nothing more. Okay, sir. You understand? Okay. Alright. This resident was afraid to talk on camera. Me just hear clamp. I mean, hear nothing else after that. Same time my heart start racing, I'm saying, I don't want to go there now, because my grandmother tell me, say, yo, anything we draw a crowd is supposed to draw near us. Me not think, I suppose, yes, but the camera still answer.
Watch the cartoon, brother, you know. Him better not make bro God hold him.
Andrew, sir. Andrew. Mr. Andrew. Listen to me. I won't play a ding back like these blinking idiots out here and say go suck your mother or Batman Andrew, because I've never heard your name called upon a batty yet. So until that day I won't say Batman Andrew. Good? Sir, but if you have felt offended in the past from where I said big nose Andrew, you got to take that up with the Lord, because I know me give you a nose, okay? But I am going to apologize because jealous out of my house, okay? I know the ladies them love off my sexiness, and I can't carry the sexiness to jail, you understand? I won't be no fresh meat pan no black for no man, you understand? So Andrew, if you have felt offended in the past, sir, I am sincerely and deeply sorry, okay? Be up on yourself. I'm a smart guy.
Alia Atkinson, watch out. See champion swimmer, yeah. Hot girl say God give her everything.
But let me tell you about me. Me's a hot girl, but I can't cook. I can't cook and I can't clean and I can't fuck. God love me. God love me different. You see, when God give her good things, I was at the front of the line. When God give her good looks, good, all good, everything stay good, hot girl, everything, and dash it upon me. God love all of his children, but him love me special. But me not hurt nobody feelings, so me stop right there, so.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus. Sing his mercy and his grace in the mansion bright and blessed. He'll prepare for us a place.
Okay, please, let's start it over. Let's do justice to our sister. Amen. Come on.
The wondrous love of Jesus, sing his mercy and his grace.
outside edge. Oh, what a catch! What a catch! Ricky Ponting, he was flying to.
I don't got 10.
How much you got?
I got $3.
Okay.
So what am I gonna get?
You gotta get a blowjob.
For the 3?
Yeah.
Jamaican
baby I'm
place that
carrying
will
is
keep you
ours.
laughing.
Oh, really? Given what you do for a living, how can you be so certain who is responsible for whatever happened to you?
No happens to me, I'm pregnant.
Don't use that word to me, I don't like to hear it.
And I certain who responsible. Because that was my only wardrobe misfunction in 10 years of doing business.
So what about your boyfriend?
I don't have one.
You can't tell me anything, I don't know nothing about
Love
it.
game.
We can do a fraternity test.
Paternity.
As soon as the baby come, we take a DNA sample.
DNA!
You know what I mean?
Yeah, hear me, lady. This jacket is not my size. It nah go fit.
So you won't be living up to your responsibility?
Which responsibility? What did this woman, man? After I don't even know if nothing do you.
I is already having morning sicknesses. I'm sure you can see that me starting to show.
Sure. But me don't know so if it's a big you got big. I have a name you over and I suppose I crave you're damn craving.
You saying you don't want this child?
He do what? Yes, I may walk and collect people pick me. Yes, I may run creeps.
Well, there's an alternating way of dealing with this.
Yes, alternate your jacket on somebody else.
I could discuss this pregnancy
I
with...
said don't use that word to me.